global economy moves toward gradual stabilization despite ongoing structural pressures. World Bank 2026 Outlook. March 2, 2026. The World Bank's latest Global Economic Prospects report indicates that the global economy is showing signs of gradual stabilization, although significant structural and geopolitical challenges continue to shape the international economic landscape. The report presents a cautiously optimistic outlook, highlighting improving growth momentum alongside persistent risks related to trade dynamics, debt pressures, and uneven recovery among nations. According to the updated assessment, global economic growth for 2026 is projected at 2.6%, reflecting a modest upward revision compared with earlier forecasts. The improvement is largely supported by sustained economic resilience in the United States and renewed expansion within the global technology sector. Nevertheless, the World Bank expects overall growth to remain moderate, with global output anticipated to stabilize around 2.7% in 2027, suggesting a period of steady but limited expansion rather than rapid acceleration. The report emphasizes concerns over what it describes as a divergence in recovery speeds between advanced and developing economies. While most high-income countries have largely returned to their pre-pandemic growth trajectories, approximately one-quarter of developing economies continue to record income levels below those seen in 2019. This disparity underscores ongoing structural constraints, including limited fiscal space, slower investment flows, and exposure to external economic shocks. Global inflation, meanwhile, is projected to ease to about 2.6% in 2026, a development that could provide central banks with greater flexibility to gradually reduce interest rates if price stability continues to improve. Analysts note that such policy adjustments may help support investment activity and domestic consumption in several regions. For the East Asia and Pacific region, including Cambodia, economic growth is forecast to average 4.4% in 2026. The World Bank attributes the slightly slower pace compared with previous years to structural moderation in China's economy. However, stronger regional demand, recovering tourism activity, and renewed expansion in electronics exports are expected to partially offset these pressures and sustain regional momentum. To promote long-term and sustainable growth, the World Bank recommends that governments prioritize investment in green and digital infrastructure, strengthen international economic cooperation to reduce trade tensions, and address debt vulnerabilities, particularly among low-income countries facing elevated financial risks. These measures, the report notes, are essential to enhancing productivity, maintaining financial stability, and ensuring more inclusive economic recovery. Source: World Bank, Global Economic Prospects Report, 2026. Thanks.